The quadrature amplitude. Let's consider a quantized mode of electric field of frequency nu. We have the electric field like this because this is a quantized field because we have a and a dagger. So it means that our field is quantized. Where a dagger is equal to 1, we know about this. Here we introduce Hermitian amplitude operators like x1 and the relation of this amplitude x1 with annihilation and creation operator, which is equal to this half a plus a dagger, and x2 is equal to 1 over 2 iota a minus a dagger, where x1 and x2 are dimensionless operators. And it means that when we take the commutation of x1, x2, this must be equal to iota divided by 2. So now I want to prove this, that x1, the commutation of x1, x2 is equal to iota divided by 2. Let's consider the left hand side, x1, x2, which is equal to x1, x2 minus x2, x1. This is the commutation relation that we can write. And further, the value of x1 from here and the value of x2 from here, we can put this is x1 multiplication with x2 and minus x2 to x1. And further, after some multiplication and take 1 over 2 iota common, so it means that 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 iota, it means then 1 over 4 iota, and here 1 over 4 iota, so I can take out 1 over 4 iota common, and then after multiplication of this term with this and this with this, we can get these terms. And from these terms, a square can be cancelled out with this a square. This is positive, this is negative, and a dagger square can be cancelled out with a dagger square. So after this, we have two terms, one a dagger and minus a dagger. So we have minus 2 a dagger, and further a dagger a and a dagger a, so we can get 2 a dagger a. And after this, I can take 2 common, and also if I take minus common from this as well, then this minus can be here, and then this term will be positive and this will be negative. And then after some multiplication and calculation, this 2 can be cancelled out with this. And if I take iota in the numerator, then this here is minus, so we can create another minus if we take the iota from denominator to numerator. So this is minus minus positive, iota divided by 2, and a dagger, it means that this is the commutation of a dagger, and a dagger is equal to 1, so I can put 1 and iota divided by 2, so iota divided by 2. So this x1, x2, the commutation of this, which is equal to iota divided by 2.